Hey all, I'm Pokémon Mike and welcome back to another random pack a day. So, with the spinning of a wheel, what pack will I be opening today? And the Astral Radiance was almost Unbroken Bone. Unbroken Bones. Broken Bonds. Astral Radiance here. A white code. Flip that over. And a fighting chance. So nope. Will this be a fire pack? It's going to be a trainer gallery, which I still need a few from the trainer gallery. There's code and GIS and no, nick it. So I missed out on any cards there. There's it. Astral is that pack there. So thanks for watching and come back again tomorrow for another video and I'll see you then.